guys, this is Ray here with you today. You're gonna ask me, what a heck? Why are you sitting here like that, all glammed up? But today we have something really special going on here. We are going to test out a newly launched highlighter by Smashbox and Vlada. Yay! So let's rock it. This is a Petal metal highlighter. It's a tiny speck of entire collection. They have eyeshadows, highlighters, they have lip colors, and many more. So for those of you guys who didn't know, this collab Smashbox made with Vlada, the Instagram star and the influencer. I'm really happy for her and for her collection, for her collaboration, because it's really beautiful and I totally cannot wait to open it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Should I mention that this packaging is completely stunning. It's like a molten pink gold. It is really beautiful, and the mouth with a rose on it symbolize the certain part of a makeup artistry that Vlada is really strong at. She's really good at the lip art. I have a highlighter in a shade Gilded Rose. Ta-da! That is the packaging. It looks so bougie. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is gorgeous. And on the lid there is a tip from Vlada. It says, for a subtle glow, use a fan brush. For more intense payoff, use a denser brush, and for maximum glow, use it over Petal Metal Primer. So they do have a primer as well. Amazing, right? I literally want to cry, you guys. It is so beautiful. The mirror here is enormous. It's huge. It's beautiful. It says Smashbox plus Vlada. Let's swatch. Let's just simply go to swatching. Let's play. Let's start with a fan brush, as she recommends, for a light highlight. Swirl around. Swirling. With the fan brush, the highlight is really light and almost unseen, just like very mild glowing. Let's go to my highlighter brush by Sonia Kashuk number 149. Oh, you guys, I needed this highlighter in my life. I don't know, how did I deal without it? Let's apply some primer. I do not have the Vlada's primer. However, let's try maybe some Milky mist. Do we need any words? I mean, you can see everything. It is amazing. It is so beautiful. Let me do the same on the other side so I do not look weirdo. So this beauty, I'm completely living for it. I have no idea how did I manage without it. And I want to throw in a quick comparison of the highlighters. I would like to compare this one and NYX Love You So Mochi, the gold one, because they kind of have the same idea in it. So both of them are a little bit gilded with a pink undertone to it. Let me swatch it quickly and you will see the difference and why I'm so obsessed with this highlighter. So here's the Vlada's and I will swatch it on my hand. And here's the NYX, I'm gonna swatch it as well. These two highlighters, the Vlada's and NYX Love You So Mochi, they are almost identical. And here you're gonna get 3 shades and it's only one. But I'm so into it. Like, it stole my heart completely. It is so beautiful. This one is amazing and it works, and I've been using it for a very long time, and I'm really happy with this one. But this one is a level up in a highlighting game, and I do not regret a penny I've spent on this one. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it is completely different formula and texture. It is so stunning. It's like, it is really exceptional highlighter. So I do have a new fave in my collection now. Here we are, guys, at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like it, and of course turn on the notification bell, so that's how you're gonna know that I have a new video up and running. So good news, you guys. I've started my own blog, so don't forget to check it out. You can find link to it at my page art. There is a little icon there, or you're just simply gonna go to reitheboss.com. At this point, I'm wishing you a beautiful day. I'm loving you all, and for now, mwah.